In this video, I will show you how to change the input source on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now, over here, I have a Skyworth Google TV, but following the same steps, you should be able to change the HDMI input source on your Skyworth Android TV as well. Now, there are basically two ways to change the input source of your Skyworth Smart TV, and the first method is to basically go ahead and press on the input source button on your remote control, which is basically this button over here. You can literally see the input source icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then from this pop-up over here, you just want to scroll horizontally until you get to the input source you want to change. So you can go ahead and change to HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 from here. An alternative way to change the input source of your Skyworth Smart TV is to simply head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV over here, and then just scroll over to input, which is basically input source. Go ahead and select it, and from here you can now go ahead and select the input source you want to change to on your Skyworth Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.